Hi, I am Manish Saxena. I am part of Paharpur Cooling Towers from last 7 years. Paharpur is the global leader in cooling tower manufacturing. They are the world's second largest manufacturer of cooling towers. Paharpur is present in more than 75 countries worldwide and having offices in more than 17 countries. This office was first renovated in 1997. From last 23 years we were working from this particular premises, and last year we decided that we should go for a complete change of the interior. That time I was just discussing with one of my ex-colleague, Mr. Ramasundar, who happens to be a close friend of Mr. Bipin and Ms. Anjali. He talked a great thing about the company. In fact, Ramasundar's residence has been done interior by Mr. Bipin and Anjali in 2019. When I visited their house for their housewarming ceremony, I was quite impressed, and thereafter I suggested their name to one of my ex-colleague and my classmate, and in 2020 beginning they completed the job with full satisfaction. And when we were deciding for our office, there was no other choice to think about A3B, and we had a couple of rounds of discussion. I spelled out very clearly what is exactly my requirement. I wanted to have a modern office with quite proper designing and aesthetics, and I told them that this should be the best office of Paharpur in the country, and they lived up to their expectations. In fact, we minutely discussed about the layout, about the interior, about the white goods reception area and the cabin, especially for my cabin. So this was thoroughly discussed, and they provided a lot of solutions. I would say they have done a great job in a limited cost. In fact, when we started the work, immediately after that the corona started, and due to lockdown the things were quite challenging. Despite all odds, they completed the project on time, and last year from 1st of December we are now operating from this office, and in fact it has been praised by all our management, and they want to have the same kind of interior in other offices whenever there is expansion or any kind of renovation any of the office. They will be definitely considering A3B as their designer as well as executor. So we are quite well satisfied with the A3B projects, and their commitment to provide services to us for next 2 years. So I will definitely recommend A3B for, even if it is home interior or office interior. They are the masters, and they have really good services to us. I must thank the A3B team for giving us the really world-class office.